despise you, you can't complain. As it was this class that vandalized Lycanthorpe High, which brought you four-legged furballs here.
Amity and Lycanthorpe High, this is your principal speaking. This is enough. Can you not put your differences aside for once? If you don't stop this right now, graduation is cancelled.
Fine. We're not giving up without one final fight. Yo, 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 Lycans!
Bring it on, you wet dogs!
Glitter on the wet streets.
We can fight our desires!
The river's so wet.
But when we stop making fires,
Dripping with
we
alcohol.
get outside.
Should've stopped sugaring. The glitter's all wet.
Whether we like it or not.
The good guy, the ghost guy, the good guy, the ghost guy, the good guy. Oh no. The good guy, the ghost guy, the good guy, the ghost guy, the good guy. Oh no. This place about to burst. We don't need a key. We get up free. No VIP sleeves. Drink this Kool-Aid. Follow my lead. Now you're one of us. You're coming with me. We're taking names 'cause we don't mess around. This place about to blow.
Amity, it's time to consume your bad luck.
Dripping from my lips. Know who you're about to kiss. Think that you can handle it. Ways on. So step into the danger zone. Say if you want to run. And I've been just taking control. Stay so wrong. So sick, killing quick, too sick, too sick. I don't think that I can stop. Pick it up, let it drop in my cup, sip it up. Oh no, I'll never stop. That bad girl power I got, I'll abuse it tonight. That poison on my mind. That power I got, you'll be mine when I say till I lie. That poison on my mind. I got that poison on my mind. I got that poison on my mind. That poison on my mind. I got that poison on my mind. I got that poison on my mind. That poison on my mind. When the dark of the night comes around, that's the time that the animal comes alive, looking for something wild. Now we look like pimps in my gold Trans Am. Got a water bottle full of whiskey in my handbag. Got my drunk text on, I'll regret it in the morning. But tonight I don't give a There's a place downtown where the freaks will come around. It's a hole in the wall. It's a dirty freak for all. And turn me on. And take it off. And take it off. Everybody take it off. There's a place I know if you're looking for a show where they go hardcore and there's glitter on the floor. And turn me on. And take it off. And take it off. Everybody take it off.
We gather here today to congratulate our fledglings on their commitment and determination over the last 4 years. It hasn't been an easy road, but passion and persistence are I got you here today.